Hello everyone, good time to all of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. First of all, thank you very much, our authority, for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my topic. Today my topic is why Bangladeshi students fail to acquire English properly. Although English is an international language and essential for higher studies and jobs, but Bangladeshi students still struggle to speak, write, and understand it well. That's why I will discuss this problem within three steps. And first of all, reason, then spec, and last one is solution. First of all, we should start our reason. There are so many reasons, but I just included here two or three. And first of all, it is lack of proper environment. We know that for learning English, environment is so much important. But in Bangladesh perspective, Bangladesh students rarely get chance to speak someone in their daily life. Because most of the people around them who are communicating in Bangla. That's why without an English speaking in an environment, learning English is too difficult to learn properly. Then we can touch our old traditional teaching method. In Bangladesh, many schools are still follow old grammar-based methods. And our teachers also focus more on memorization rather than real communication. That's why students learn rules, not skill. And there are also fear of making mistakes and shortage of unskilled teachers included here. That's why students face a lot of things. Especially students face in their higher study. They also struggle communicate in international environments. And we know that today our job opportunity become limited, especially for global sectors. That's why I just included here two or three solutions, and that is create an speaking environment in school and college, and use modern communicative teaching method. Then train our teachers properly, and teachers should encourage our students to read BBC News article and source of what is needed for learning English. In my conclusion, the main reason of Bangladeshi students fail to acquire English properly is lack of mistakes, lack of confidence, as well as modern teaching methods. If we can create a growth-friendly environment and change our attitude, learning English will be easier and enjoyable. Thank you everyone for listening with patience.